On this video, we will show you how to adjust the True Tone display feature on your iPhone. True Tone adjusts the color, temperature, and intensity of your iPhone display based on ambient light to make color looks more natural. Step 1. You can open a setting on your iPhone and then tap on Display and Brightness. On the Display and Brightness menu, you can select True Tone here. You can turn on True Tone by tapping on the switch next to True Tone text. After you activate this, it will be automatically adapt iPhone display based on ambient lighting condition to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can also adjust the brightness by slide to the left or to the right. When you swipe to the left, it will be darker, but when you slide to the right, it will be more bright. That's it! You successfully adjust the True Tone display feature on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!